This wallaby is red, 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 red.
Look, oh, nagulat ako dito. Hindi ko inaasahan. She wants rainbow ice cream daw.
Yes, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Okay. Yummy. Very good.
I'm so green.
Kumain ka ng rice, hindi puro mainit ang rice. Ipan mo. Siya na magkakwento.
One,
Who is that?
Papa Jisoo. Yes, oh, they did. Look, my jet.
Pakita mo. Wow!
Hello, Iripan.
Wow! You're not yet done? Very good.
I think they're so dear with the butt piece.
Ano?
Tadote.
Cute. Come on, finish it na.
Okay, okay. This wallaby is red, 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 red.
What is that? What color is that?
Pink, pinky, 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 pinky. Let's color my crayons.
Dami. Kunti na nga lang eh. Nasa na iba mong crayons? Wow, that's nice.
Nice, look, and error. Do it. Oh. No.
Yung activity ni Luna. She loves coloring.
That's the table. Oh. Color.
What is this again?
Mango, mango, wee
Fla.
Flamingo.
Oh, you finished the pig. Oh, it's not yet done.
Apple ice cream cone. Very yummy, yummy. And then they are cacao. Yeah.
One.
Apple ice cream. Ice cream
Ang
cone.
color naman. Nagawa the yellow. The orange.
I want rainbow.
Yeah. The blue. You choose. And this one, I think this is a cherry. Cherry. What is the color of the cherry? It's red, diba?
It's red. Rainbow ice cream. Oh. Hello. Yeah.
Rainbow ice cream. Galing ah. Try the other colors. Ang ginagawa niya, oh. She wants a rainbow ice cream, kaya ayan. Ba't ibang kulay? Galing nga. Wow, that's nice. Yan, yun yung pinalayan ni Luna. First is an eggplant.
An eggplant. And then strawberry. And then a mango.
Almost perfect.
And then
Yan.
ice cream.
And the flamingo. Then the pig.
Pig.
And then, look, oh, nagulat ako dito. Hindi ko inaasahan. She wants rainbow ice cream daw.
Yes, yummy, yummy.
Yan.
Yummy.
Pinaalis niya ako. And then, pagbalik ko, ganyan na. Natapos niya na yung rainbow ice cream niya. And then, yung strawberry. I'm always proud of you talaga. What are you drawing? Macy, don't erase it. Wow, what's that? What's that?
Let's make
Smile. Yee, pretty girl. This is. What is that?
sun.
Galing ah. Very good. Very good, anak. Very good. Approve.
A blanket.
Triangle. Okay. You like it?
It looks like a triangle.
Yes. Oh, ito. Oh, try mo. Wait lang. Try mo. It's sarap.
It's healthy.
Of course. Because this is a... What is this? Fruit.
Fruit.
And try it. Yummy! Very good. You like watermelon? Anong color nito?
Green. And the yellow.
Very good. Very good.
I'm so green.
Fresh na si Luna. Luna, harap ito. Fresh na ang baby
I can
ko.
see.
Okay lang, okay lang. Ano yan? Uy, hindi ako pinapansin. Baby! 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 Pag nagwa-watch, ang attention nasa TV lang. Pikachu. Pokemon, pinapanood niya. Seryoso, oh. Ay, ang seryoso ng bata. What is that, anak? Luna, what is that? Ano yan? Ano yan? Sige na nga, di na kita pipilitin. Love you. Rice, egg, and embutido. You tried embutido? Yung
Yeah.
embutido ni Mami Cecilia.
You here?
Dito ka mag-eat. Ngayon.
Egg.
Ano pala ng time na mo? What is that?
Why?
O, dahan-dahan. Use ano tinidor. Bala ka dyan. Kain ka muna, ha? Enjoy. Wow!
Yummy.
Yummy?
But don't eat all the big egg and then the white. Oh no! Ah!
Yay! Dirty na! Kumain ka ng rice.
Okay, this is like
Punasan na lang namin.
oh.
Kumain ka ng rice, hindi puro ano, mainit ang rice. Ipan mo. Hindi kamay. Mainit ang rice. Enjoy! Eat embutido. Kain ka lang, ha?
Nom, 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 nom.
Ambaw tuyo. Ambaw tuyo.
It's just small apple with egg.
Happy?
Yes.
Why are you happy?
Because
What?
food.
Food. Yeah? Uy, nangilong nguya. Hindi nangilong nguya. Ayaw?
I'm so nice.
Hindi ka man siya.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Get one only, ay. Dito na, dito na. One only, anak. One only, one only. One only. Okay, good. Story time. Yan.
Oh, now it's the real.
Sige, game na.
And then it
Matutulog na kasi si Luna.
is
So, before siya mag-sleep, story time muna.
Eyes and then it's in the mouth.
Yeah.
That's the whale. Is the
Oh, siya na,
object.
siya na magkakwento.
One
Who is that?
Papa Jesus.
Baby, he looks like Papa Jesus, but that's Jonah.
And then and the bubbles is coming in the wheel. And then and then we see it. It's a whale.
Okay.
And then this one is OG also in the tummy.
Inside the tummy. Yes.
It's a tummy whale.
Yan. That's the tummy of the whale.
My water.
Opo, of
My
course.
water wish.
May fish, may yung kinakain na.
Crab.
Kumakain din siya ng crab. Nag-drink din siya ng water. Okay?
And then all this is
Jonah was sinking under the water.
in the water.
He went deeper and deeper and deeper into the sea. He saw a big
Whale.
shadow approaching right under him
It's him.
from the depths of the sea.
Right.
Oh, sleep na. Time to sleep na kung ayaw mo niyan.
Oh, it's story time.
Okay, okay.
Big whale is stood by.
Yes.
And then stood by a whale.
Siya na po nagkakwento. Tahimik na lang ako.
The end. And then
The end na agad?
oh, we stop, mommy. No, no. This is it. Take it out. I'm so bad.
Good night.
Good night. I love you.